By 1986, the T90 changed everything. Its modern design and advanced electronics became the blueprint for today's professional Canon cameras. The Canon Flex R 2000 pushed Canon's innovation forward, one of their earliest SLRs built for faster shooting and true interchangeable lenses. In 1959, the Canon P became a global favorite, affordable, reliable, and used by thousands of photojournalists during the golden age of film. Canon's story began in 1936 with the Hansa Canon, the company's very first camera, a handmade rangefinder that marked Japan's first step into professional photography.